The space mission lifting off on the 14th of July 2026 at 8:17 p.m. of IST tonight is the Roscosmos Soyuz MS-29, a crewed transport flight headed to the International Space Station. The Soyuz MS-29 carried by a Soyuz 2.1 rocket. Launch site, Site 31/6, Baikonur Cosmodrome, Kazakhstan. Destination, Prichal Node Module, Nadir Port, on the Russian segment of the ISS mission duration, approximately 8 months or 240 days, scheduled to return in April 2027. Expedition. The crew will join the orbiting laboratory as members of Expedition. The 3-member Krutte flight is commanded by a veteran Russian crew alongside an Indian-origin astronaut making his historic first flight into space, Dr. Anil Menon, NASA, an Indian-American emergency medicine physician, engineer, and U.S. Space Force colonel. Born to a Ukrainian mother and an Indian father from Kerala, this marks his first ever journey into space. Pyotr Dubrov, Roscosmos, serving as the mission commander, his second space flight. Anna Kikina, Roscosmos, serving as a flight engineer, her second space flight. Flight timeline and docking. Tonight, the spacecraft is utilizing an ultra-fast, two-orbit rendezvous schedule to match the speed and path of the ISS, 8:17 p.m. IST, liftoff from Kazakhstan, 8:26 p.m. IST, rocket third stage cutoff. Soyuz MS-29 enters initial low Earth orbit, approximate 9 minutes post-launch, 11:56 p.m. IST, scheduled automated docking at the IS, roughly 3 hours and 39 minutes after launch, 1:25 a.m. IST, Wednesday early morning, expected hatch opening, where the new crew will cross into the IS to meet the existing 7 astronauts already aboard. 1. Launch Vehicle and Spacecraft Assembly Rocket Class A 3-stage SOYUZ 2.1 a liquid propellant launch vehicle, spacecraft variant, Soyuz MS-29, weighing approximately 7,152 kilograms at liftoff. Safety safeguards. The capsule is fitted with a launch escape system solid rocket tower designed to instantly pull the crew cabin away from the booster in the event of an emergency during early flight phases. 2. The Prime Crew Profiles. The crew cabin houses 3 specialists operating under the radio call sign, Tigris, Commander Pyotr Dubrov, Roscosmos, a veteran Russian cosmonaut executing his second long-duration spaceflight, Flight Engineer Anna Kikina, Roscosmos, a Russian cosmonaut executing her second orbital mission, Flight Engineer Drive. Anil Menon, NASA, an Indian-origin emergency medical physician, engineer, and U.S. Space Force colonel embarking on his first historic spaceflight. 3. Microgravity medical and tech payloads. Alongside standard cargo logistics, the crew is carrying materials to facilitate deep space operational research, specifically focusing on intravenous fluid system, IV gen, testing a filtration architecture that turns standard potable wastewater on the International Space Station IS into medical grade saline, bioacoustics and augmented reality, running ultrasound monitoring configurations utilizing AI and augmented reality interfaces to treat medical emergencies autonomously without ground control relays, semiconductor crystal growth, managing microgravity furnaces to refine ultra-pure semiconductor crystals intended for high-performance medical hardware and AI processors. 4. Fast-track ascent profile. The flight follows an automated 2-orbit ultra-short rendezvous timeline, 0 to 9 minutes, ascending downrange from Baikonur Cosmodrome. The third stage rocket cuts off exactly 8 minutes and 49 seconds into flight, injecting the crew into low Earth orbit 0.9 minutes to 3.5 hours, executing a series of precise thruster burns over 2 full revolutions around Earth to intercept the station's orbital track, at 3 hours 39 minutes, achieving automated contact and hard docking with the Nadir port of the Prichal node module on the Russian segment of the IS, estimated at 11:56 p.m. IST tonight. 5. Mission rotations and lifespan. Orbit lifespan. The capsule is structurally certified for a long duration stay, targeted to last 240 days.